Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Maths with Mr. Luke. Are you all sitting beautifully? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Looking, listening, thinking and concentrating. I can see we are all sat beautifully, so we shall begin. Now it's time for our maths warm-up. So make sure you have your whiteboards, your pens and your rubbers or a piece of paper and a pencil. It's important because you are going to be having a go at answering some of the maths questions I am going to give you. If you haven't got those things now, pause or stop the video now, go and get ready and come back when you have them. Okay, I can see that everybody is ready, so I am going to give you your first question. Oh, it looks like we're doing taking away today, taking away. So our number sentence says 5 take away 3 equals 5 take away 3 equals. Okay, pause the video and come back when you have an answer. Right, I can see that many of you have an answer. Some of you might have done it in your head, and some of you might have to write the answer down and show your working. So let's see. We've got 5 take away 3 equals. So first of all, we need to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got our 5 circles and we need to take away 3. Get rid of 3. So let's cross 3 out. 1, 2, 3. We've crossed 3 out. Now how many do we have left? 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Give yourselves a big tick. That's a nice easy one to begin with. If you had trouble with that, go back and have another go. I know you can get it next time. Let's have a look at the next one. The next question is 7 take away 2 equals. 7 take away 2 equals. Pause the video and come back when you have an answer. Okie dokie, I can see you have your answers. So our question is 7 take away 2 equals. So first of all, we need to start with 7 circles. So let's draw our 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we've got to take away 2, which means get rid of 2. So let's get rid of 2. 1, 2, and all we have to do next is count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. That is our answer, the number 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. If you got that right, give yourselves a big tick. If not, go back and have another go. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, our question here says 8 take away 4 equals. 8 take away 4 equals. Have a think about how to do this. Maybe you can do it in your head, or maybe you need to write down your workings. Pause the video now and come back when you have your answer. Okay, I can see many of you have an answer now. Let's check that you got it right. So our number sentence is 8 take away 4 equals. So we need to start with 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we need to take away 4, which means get rid of 4 of them. So I'm going to cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have I got left? Well, we just need to count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. Down and across and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. If you got that right, give yourselves a big tick. Well done. If not, go back and have another go, making sure you are counting very, very carefully. Let's move on to the final one. Okay, our numbers are getting a little bit bigger now. This one says 10, take away 5 equals 10, take away 5 equals. Pause the video now and come back when you have an answer. Okay, I can see that you have an answer. So let's see how we work this one out. The number sentence is 10, take away 5 equals. So first of all, we need to start with 10. So I'm going to draw my 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we need to take away 5, which means get rid of 5. So let's get rid of 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got rid of 5. Now we just have to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Down and around and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. Give yourselves a tick if you got it right. If not, go back and have another go. What's Super Maths Warm-Up, everybody? Let's move on to what we are going to be learning about today. Now, here we have a sentence at the top of our page, and it says, today we are learning. Today we are learning. I wonder what we are learning. We are learning how to make 10. We are learning how to make 10. Now, you can make 10 with lots of different numbers, but we are going to use something very special today to help us, something that you should remember from before. Let's have a look. We are going to be using Numicon. Numicon, say that with me. Numicon. Numicon. Now, Numicon are these different shapes that make different numbers. Have a look at this shape. What number do you think this shape is? Well, we can have a look by counting the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that this Numicon piece is the number 10. Now, what we are going to do is we are now going to get different Numicon pieces and put them on top. We are going to get different Numicon pieces and put them on top to find different ways of making the number 10. Now, let's have a look at the next one. You're going to really have to concentrate. Let's take a look. Now, on this slide, you can see we have the number 10 Numicon again, but we also have the number 1, and we are going to see how many times we can put the number 1 on top of the 10 until it's all covered up and we have made the number 10. If you don't understand, just watch. We're going to put the number 1 on top of the number 10 and see if we can completely cover it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took us 10 of these number 1 pieces to cover up our number 10 Numicon piece. 10 of these is the same as 110. Now, we can write this as a number sentence, but it is going to be very, very long because it's going to be 10 number 1s. 10 number 1s. Now, don't you worry too much, but I'm going to do it for some of you who might understand. Okay, we need to add 1 10 times. Let's see if we can do it. 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. How many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need another 5. Add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. Let's see how many we've got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. equals 10. My goodness me, what a long number sentence. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you do that, but I wanted to show you anyway. So we know that we can fit 10 number ones onto the 10 piece. Let's have a look at a different example. Here we have the number 10 Numicon piece again, but this time we have the number 2 piece. How many times can we fit the number 2 piece on top of the number 10? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 2 fits on top of the number 10 5 times. And we can write this as a number sentence again. 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 equals, let's work it out. Well, we know it's 10 because we've done it up there, but we can still show our workings. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, let's have a look at a different one. Oh, this time we still have our number 10. We have our number 10 here, but this time we've got two pieces. We've got the number 1 and we've got the number 3. Let's see if we can fit these shapes on top of the number 1 to completely cover it. So first we can put a number 3 there. We can put another number 3 there. We can put another number 3 there. And we can put a number 1 there. So we have 3 pieces and 1 piece. We have 3 of the 3 pieces and 1 of the 1 piece. Let's write this as a number sentence. We have 3 add 3 add 3 add 1 equals 10. It's always going to equal 10. Every time we cover up the 10, it will always equal 10. Well done. Let's have a look at another example. Here we have the 10 piece and we have some different pieces to try and cover it with. We have the 4 and we have the 2. I wonder if we can cover the 10. Let's have a look. Well, we can put a 4 there. We can put another 4 there. And we can put a 2 there. 4 add 2 equals 10. Let's see if we can write that number sentence. 4 add 4 add 2 equals 10. 4 add 2 equals 10. Let's have one more look. See, we've got 4 here, add another 4 here, and add 2, it covers the 10, so we know that it makes 10. My goodness, you are maths superstars today. Well, here we have another piece again. We have a 5. How many 5s will fit on top of the 10? Let's have a look. 1 and 2. That's an easy one. Just 2 of the number 5s fit on top of the number 10. So we can write 5 add 5 equals 10. 5 add 5 equals 10. Wow, so easy that one. There was just 2 pieces that fit on top of the number 10. Now, let's have a look at this one. We once again have our number 10 here, and we want to use these 2 pieces to cover the number 10 completely. So we've got a number 6 and we've got a number 4. Let's see if we can use them to cover our number 10. So first of all, we can put the number 6 and then we can put the number 4. So we can write 6 add 4 equals 10. 6 add 4 equals 10. Are we ready? 6 add 4 equals 10. Wow, that was an easy one. Again, let's have a look at the last one we're going to do today. Okay, once again, we have our number 10 piece here, our number 10 Numicon piece here. And up here, we have a 3 and we have a 7. We have a 3 and a 7. Let's see if we can use these pieces to cover the number 10. So first of all, we can put the 7 here, and then we can add our 3 here. So now we can write our number sentence, 7 add 3 equals 10. 7 add 3 equals 10. Let's write that one down. 7 add 3 equals 10. My goodness, what super maths today, everybody. You have been amazing. Now, I have given you quite a fun challenge today. First of all, you need to cut out very, very carefully. Get Mummy and Daddy to help you with this. All of these Numicon pieces. Then I've got a bit of a puzzle. I want you to see if you can put them on top of these blank 10s to make the 10. Okay, you need to see if you can fit them like puzzle pieces on top to make 10. Here's one already. We've got 2, 4 and 4. 2, 4 and 4 make 10, and underneath they've written the number sentence 2 add 4 equals 10. Maybe you could put 5 and 5, or maybe you could do 3 add 3 add 1. I'm going to leave it completely up to you, but you need to stick them carefully on top of these templates to make the number 10. I wonder how many different ways you can think of. I know you can do it because you are maths geniuses. So good luck everybody today with your maths challenge. If you need any help, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you later for live teaching. Bye-bye.